This biker was riding a crashed bike with no endorsement, no headlights and expired plates. He was also going a bit over the speed limit when he came across a cop, and it did not take long before the officer caught up with him.
What's going on?
You're the only one stopping.
Why? What happened?
Your speed. I got you at 72.
I was test running the bike, man.
I get it. I'm still stopping you for your speed. Okay?
Okay. Alright.
Fair?
There.
Alright. So you got your license or is it on the bike?
I'm not sure. I'd have to check. I had to check. I don't know if it's in my bag or anything.
Okay. Alright, look. This is the opportunity. Tell me now.
No, like, okay.
You gonna stop or are you gonna run? I'm not gonna run, man. Alright.
Listen.
I appreciate it. Park over there. We'll talk.
Sounds good.
Alright? Alright. Let me talk first and then I'll let you talk. Alright? You were the only one that I got on speed. Alright. Everybody else, I'm assuming you guys were going about the same. Now guys, I'm not gonna write you for 72. I'll be straight up. If it stopped, you're not giving me any argument.
Yes. I will not write you 72. Alright. You will get a ticket. You're your speed. I'm not out here to jab you up and write you 100 tickets.
Like, were the other three also with you guys?
No.
Okay.
No, literally,
Because they all dipped off, and normally I go to light one of you guys up, everybody starts to scatter. I was asking if you guys knew the other ones that took off.
Oh, no.
So, I'll be straight. I don't ride. I have no interest in it. I had one time. I crashed.
This biker was spotted doing wheelies in front of his house and got reported to the cops. And this is one of those videos where we have to add disclaimer. Guys, do not run from cops. It's dangerous and it will only get you in bigger trouble. This biker was cruising at a safe distance on tail of the Dragon, along no passing road, when the SUV driver in front got frustrated with the traffic building up behind her. She kept signaling for him to pass over a double yellow line, even with oncoming traffic, but he refused. When she finally pulled off, he tried to explain, but she sped away. And after spotting the police officer nearby, she pulled over to blame biker for tailgating. Enjoy.
no, I wanted to talk to this lady right here.
This guy's a freak. He almost called the call. I didn't know that.
Okay. Well, what happened?
They're riding my going 80 miles an hour, and it's very curvy.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not mad at her. I just wanted to talk to her and tell her she's stopping in the road and telling people to go around, and then she won't use the pull-offs and it's making it dangerous. I'm just
Probably
like,
can't even see the pull-offs with the leaves down.
maybe, but
Yeah,
I wasn't mad. I just want to tell her we can't do that. That's illegal.
Yeah.
You know, what she's asking us to do is illegal.
Just run over this.
Yeah, I don't think she hit it.
Well, I think she's probably.
I'm not mad at you. I don't want you to be frustrated. I'm not mad. I just wanted to explain why we couldn't do that. I'm not mad at you.
In this day and age, I don't know what you were
Okay.
doing.
I'm not mad at you.
She said she didn't stop at the railroad.
I
don't
was
know.
trying to
Okay, because
wave
there's
them to pass me is what
Right.
I was
Which is
and I-
illegal. We can't
Right,
do
they're not
that.
allowed to pass.
So that's why we couldn't do
That's
it.
why
Well,
people
it's
pull
funny
over into
because
the
I tried to pull over many times. There's like dozens
That's
of
why
them.
we have all these.
I know, I'm-
pull-offs.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad at you, okay? I don't want you to be frustrated out
I'm
here.
not frustrated,
I just wanted to
but
explain
it's
why.
really annoying the way you people tailgate. On
I got it on video. I stayed back 3 seconds.
Okay.
Myself. Maybe not everybody else. I can't
well,
speak for everybody else.
Driving, that's why we're up here.
I'm almost out of here. I'm on my way.
Okay,
to
I'm sorry. I don't want you to be
Right,
frustrated,
you're-
okay?
But you actually have a lot more of the road to go. You're only
About halfway.
A little over halfway.
Yeah.
Well,
So to where it straightens out some.
She's so frustrated.
Well, she is. I mean, obviously she doesn't know what she's gotten herself into.
Yeah, and I just wanted to talk to her and say, hey, look, it's okay. I appreciate you, the gesture.
Yeah,
but she's hitting the brakes in a turn and telling us to go around her.
She's obviously a little unreasonable right now.
Yeah, I don't think I was going to reach her anyway.
She had her seatbelt buckled behind her. It's like, gosh, not on this road. So,
yeah, I should have said stop. She wasn't stopping, but she was like hitting the brakes
yeah.
and getting to like 5 miles an hour and doing this. And I'm like, lady, I'm not passing you. And I was staying way back, but we would go by a pull-off and I'd be like...
She probably got passed by some other people though, I bet.
Yeah, and then she's scared that we're going to attack her or something probably. You know, she's seen too many movies and she didn't want to stop and pull over because she felt like I was going to rob her or something, I guess. I don't know.
And then people meanwhile, like that fella just kind of saluted me and then he almost ran out of the road. Like seriously? Oh my gosh.
Oh man, the things we get to see up here, I tell you.
Oh yeah, all the time.
Running from the cops is dangerous, illegal, and it can put innocent people at serious risk. The purpose of this video is educational only, to highlight the real consequences that follow reckless decisions on the road. These bikers found themselves in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Did either one of you hit a little kid up the street?
No.
No, we just came this way.
We just got
that way.
up from over here.
You just came down this way?
Yeah.
Because I have an accident down the street. The little kid was hit by somebody on a dirt bike. That's
Oh,
what no?
No, we just came from the Wadley area.
Okay. Can I borrow y'all's IDs real quick?
I don't have my wallet on me
Your
now.
wallet?
I think I have my wallet on.
Okay.
I have my driver's license number.
I think I have mine too. I just did both.
A kid got hit on a dirt bike?
No, kid got hit by a dirt bike.
Oh, okay. Damn. That's crazy. Actually, I think I have some footage from us on the Wadley area, if that helps.
Your eyes red and black? Well, I appreciate you guys stopping.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I'm stopping to talk to y'all. Okay,
No,
you guys
for
are
sure.
you guys are obeying the law and stuff, but I appreciate y'all being chill, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. If you guys see a red and black dirt bike running around,
Okay.
see if you guys can get a plate and call us back.
That's insane. That's so
crazy.
bad.
That's fucked up.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you guys.
Yes, sir. That's crazy. That's wild.
Wrong time, wrong place right now.
Right now, yeah.
Came back and I was like,
Hi, buddy. How's it going?
You want to take that?
Sure, I can.
This one in chamber.
All right, so 2 things. 1, obviously you can't be doing wheelies, right? Clearly, that's why we're all here. 2, this.
This biker was pulled over by a cop he had previous history with. This time, however, he had corrected all the issues from the past interactions. And it clearly worked in his favor. Take a look.
That was all me.
I know. Do you have your ID with you, brother?
Oh yeah, it's in my bag. Can I reach it?
Yeah, do you have any weapons or anything?
I remember you.
Are you the same guy that has a gun in your backpack every time?
Nope, not this time.
Not this time?
Nope.
You had one before though, right?
Yeah, I still have it, but I stopped carrying it.
At least you have a plate on your bike this time.
You proud of me for that one?
I can at least live with that.
Oh, shoot. Here you go.
Alright, thanks, man. Alright, sit tight for a minute, okay?
Okay. Can I put the kickstand down?
Yeah, you're good. Because you have a license plate, I'm not going to write you a ticket.
Yes!
Okay? Because you're finally following the rules.
Hey,
I'm not going to write you a ticket. Alright, so my business
that's because
card's
I finally decided. I got rid of the other one.
I see. When did you get this one?
About almost a week ago now.
Is this 1,000?
Yep.
Good night. Well, be safe, dude. Don't
Alright.
ride like that anymore, please.
I won't. I mean, I literally just got the thing too. I'm like,
I
you know what?
And then I see headlights coming up behind me. You actually passed one of my other officers, and he called you out.
Was it you?
Not this guy. Another guy going the other direction.
Yeah.
So he did it right in front of him, and he's like, "Hey, heads up!" I'm like, "I got him."
Yeah. Once I saw him, like, crap. I'm like, I'm just gonna pull over again. I knew it.
You're good, man. You have a good night.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
On their way home from a camping trip, 3 riders pulled over to clean their visors after bugs made it hard to see. Moments later, Arkansas State troopers approached with lights on. Even though no traffic laws were broken, the riders were asked for IDs. One of them questioned it, but chose to cooperate to avoid escalating the situation.
Oh, I can't hear.
Black.
I'm sorry, I got earplugs in.
That's what I was telling him. I knew he had the plugs in. Yours is black. 300 as well. What year model? We're typing them up.
Why?
We're giving you the form.
Just write down the plates, man. We good.
No, it won't populate.
You gonna take pictures of them or something?
No. Why would I take pictures of your plate?
What do you need to know the year models for? It's all on the registration, huh?
It's not populating.
What does that mean?
It doesn't populate in our system. Remember I told you, you said you kept saying we're checking orange. I said no. All we're doing is get your 28, your registration.
Yeah, no, but now we're ready to go, man.
Yeah, but once we get this.
Well, I need my license back.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Okay, cool. I'm ready. We gotta make it home before the deer come out. I done been hit by one. Yeah.
Do I need to get my registration?
I don't know, man. He's asking for your models and stuff. I don't get it. Gracias, amigo.
I was telling you, like, the registration, man, you ought to stay, all that stuff doesn't populate.
Man, y'all be safe out there. Some hooligans on the road.
Yeah, we heard about them all.
Actually, you know what? This whole time we run into nothing. But if you get anywhere near Houston or Dallas, man, it is a shit show on the road.
Extra traffic or what is it?
Yeah, just dumbasses on the road, like raising hell. People, that's the problem. Y'all be safe, guys. Thank you much.
If you don't want to get busted in the middle of the traffic, make sure your bike has a plate on. No plate usually means instant attention from the cops, because they assume you might run.
What's going on? Got no plate on the back of your bike.
Yeah, it just fell, my friend. Just give it to me.
Where is it?
Huh?
Where is it?
It's under my feet.
Under your seat?
Yes.
Okay, you can take it out.
You want to go over there? Nope. No, no.
Is that your deal?
Oh yeah.
What's going on with this?
What's that?
What's going on with this? Why is
It just failed.
just failed?
Yeah. I just got the bike recently.
How long ago?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Did it
Yeah,
come
we
like
just
this
told-
or what?
What's that?
Did it come like this or what?
Yeah, exactly.
But so for 2 weeks you didn't screw it on?
I'm sorry?
For 2 weeks you didn't screw it
No,
on?
it just failed. I literally.
It's back there.
Yeah.
You just said it came like this.
No, the plate. I'm not buying the plate, right? I screwed it myself.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
When you put your bike, because I ride as well, when you put your bike stand down, always turn your wheel that way.
Sure.
Otherwise you risk your bike.
Well, I have to fix this ASAP. Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Okay, well, many of the back to you. But easy little ticket that comes with this. There's a ticket that usually comes with not displaying your license plate. Yeah. And I could roll the ticket. If I want to start like ASAP, like go straight for screens.
No, yeah, 100%.
So we'll do anything else.
7-Eleven is right there on the corner. Okay. Either tape or zap straps. Okay. Because I've had to do that with my plate for my bike before. Okay. 7-Eleven is where you have to go right now. Okay. Nowhere else. Yep. 7-Eleven, and either tape it really good. Yep. Or buy zap straps at 7-Eleven if they have them. Yep. You know what zap straps are? Oh yeah, cool. Yeah. And zap strap it on because you're not driving around all the way home without a plate. No, yeah, I know. I know what it is, but you want to do it kind of this way? Yeah, no, I've had mine fall off as well. Not a big deal, but you got to fix it now before you go home. Okay. Are you right? R1. Damn, we're here. Thank you, guys. First thing, right? First thing to do. All right. Look at that thing. Really?
Click here to see the next Police vs. Bikers episode. It might be even crazier than this one. Like, comment, and don't miss what happens next.